Living in Metairie means enjoying warm weather, vibrant neighborhoods, and easy access to the beauty of southeast Louisiana. However, the region's intense heat and persistent humidity can take a toll on homes and comfort levels throughout the year. One of the most effective ways homeowners can protect their homes from these conditions is by installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, control indoor humidity, and create a more comfortable living environment. Traditional windows often allow a significant amount of outdoor heat to enter the home. In Metairie's hot climate, this can cause indoor temperatures to rise quickly, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to reduce this heat transfer. Many feature multiple panes of glass with insulating gas between them, which acts as a barrier that keeps outdoor heat from easily entering the home. Low emissivity, low E, coatings are another important feature of energy-efficient windows. These invisible coatings reflect heat away from the glass, helping keep the interior of the home cooler during the hottest parts of the day. In a humid climate like Metairie, this added protection can make a noticeable difference in maintaining consistent indoor temperatures without overworking cooling systems. Humidity control is another major benefit of upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Excess humidity can create uncomfortable indoor conditions and contribute to issues like condensation and mold growth. When windows are poorly sealed or outdated, warm, moist air can easily enter the home and raise humidity levels. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced sealing technology that helps prevent air leaks, keeping unwanted moisture outside where it belongs. By maintaining better indoor humidity levels, these windows also help protect the home itself. Moisture buildup can damage walls, wood surfaces, and insulation over time. Mold and mildew can also become a concern in areas where humidity accumulates. Energy-efficient windows help reduce these risks by limiting the amount of humid air that can infiltrate the home. Another advantage for Metairie homeowners is improved comfort throughout the house. Older windows often create hot spots near window areas during the summer months. Rooms that receive direct sunlight can become noticeably warmer than the rest of the house. Energy-efficient windows minimize this effect by blocking a large portion of solar heat, allowing indoor temperatures to remain more balanced from room to room. Reducing the strain on air conditioning systems is also a key benefit. When heat constantly enters through inefficient windows, cooling systems must run longer and more frequently to keep up. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize indoor temperatures, which can lower overall energy usage and reduce monthly utility costs. For many homeowners, this added efficiency makes the upgrade a smart long-term investment. In addition to comfort and efficiency, energy-efficient windows can also help protect interior furnishings. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can fade flooring, furniture, curtains, and artwork. Many modern windows are designed to block a large portion of harmful ultraviolet rays, helping preserve the appearance of indoor spaces over time. Durability and performance are also important considerations in Metairie's climate. Energy-efficient windows are typically built with strong frames and high-quality materials that can withstand heat, moisture, and seasonal weather changes. This makes them a reliable choice for homeowners looking to improve both comfort and long-term home protection. For homeowners in Metairie, dealing with heat and humidity is simply part of everyday life. However, the right upgrades can make a significant difference. Energy-efficient windows provide a practical solution by reducing heat transfer, limiting moisture infiltration, and improving overall indoor comfort. With benefits ranging from better temperature control to improved energy savings, these windows help create a home environment that stays cooler, drier, and more comfortable throughout the year.